Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage a LED lamp on a button in Nuki Smartlock. To do this, we'll need to click on our smart lock inside Nuki app, move to the settings, and then go for features and configuration. Right here there's button and LED. You'll be able to enable or disable Bluetooth pairing and identification, I guess, allow locking operations or disallow them, one pressing time to unlock, lock, open door, lock and go, show state, or set it to no action. And for two press action, you can also switch to different options that were the same from previous one. We can also adjust the brightness of our LED lamp. If you go all the way to the left, it will basically disable it, and enable or disable LED signal on the smart lock. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.